Hello, lovely viewers, and welcome back to Hive Tales. Today, we're diving deep into a topic that's not only delicious but also incredibly beneficial for your health. We're talking about honey and its role in promoting healthy liver function. But before we get started, don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and leave a comment down below to let us know your thoughts. Now, let's get buzzing. So, why should we be excited about honey when it comes to our liver health? Well, honey is not just a sweet treat. It's packed with natural goodness that can do wonders for your liver. Let's explore this together. First up, honey is a rich source of antioxidants, such as flavonoids and polyphenols. These antioxidants play a crucial role in protecting our liver cells from oxidative stress and damage. Oxidative stress can lead to liver diseases, but honey acts as a shield, defending our liver and helping it function optimally. Another fantastic aspect of honey is its ability to support detoxification. Your liver works tirelessly to filter out toxins from your body. Honey contains various compounds that aid in this detox process, making your liver's job easier. Inflammation is a common factor in liver diseases. Honey has anti-inflammatory properties that can reduce liver inflammation and prevent chronic liver conditions from developing. Now, here's something interesting. Honey might help reduce the accumulation of fat in your liver. Excessive fat in the liver can lead to fatty liver disease, which is a serious health concern. Honey can help regulate fat metabolism and prevent this condition. Now that we know how beneficial honey can be for our liver, let's talk about some delicious ways to incorporate it into our daily diet. After all, it's not just about knowing the benefits, it's about making it a part of your lifestyle. One of the simplest ways is by starting your day with a honey and lemon detox drink. Mix a tablespoon of honey with the juice of half a lemon in warm water. This not only aids your liver but also boosts your overall well-being. Honey can be a great addition to your morning smoothie. Combine it with fruits, yogurt, and some greens for a tasty and liver-loving concoction. Using honey as a base for your salad dressing is not only delicious but also a smart choice for your liver health. Add some olive oil, vinegar, and your favorite herbs for a zesty dressing. Swap out refined sugar for honey in your tea or coffee. It's a healthier alternative and provides a subtle, natural sweetness. So, there you have it, folks. Honey is not just a delightful addition to your diet, but also a powerful ally in promoting healthy liver function. It's nature's sweet gift to our well-being. We're right in the middle of uncovering the wonders of honey for liver health. If you're finding this information helpful, make sure to give us a thumbs up and share this video with your friends. And now, let's get back to it. But wait, before we wrap up, let me share some tips on choosing the right honey for your liver health. When shopping for honey, opt for raw and unprocessed varieties. These contain more beneficial compounds since they haven't been heated or filtered. Consider the source of your honey. Manuka honey, for example, is renowned for its exceptional health benefits, including liver support. Supporting local beekeepers and choosing organic honey can be an excellent choice, as it often contains fewer additives and pesticides. That's a wrap for today's episode on honey and its role in promoting healthy liver function. If you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, please don't forget to hit that subscribe button, like, share, and leave a comment below. And, as a special treat, make sure to check out our video on honey and its role in promoting emotional well-being in pregnancy, right here. Thanks for tuning in, and remember, a spoonful of honey a day keeps your liver in play. See you in the next video.